Tesla is known for its constant innovation that leads to higher growth. Rather than taking profits, Elon Musk is focused on strategically investing for Tesla's future growth. Jeff Don, Tesla's battery research partner, has been filing plenty of patent applications for Tesla's new battery technology, making it clear that Tesla is capable of producing a vehicle with an extremely high range. However, most Tesla owners don't use this range to its maximum extent, which is one of the reasons why I believe Tesla will soon lower the price for the Model 3 and Y. In this video, I'm going to show you all the evidence that points to huge price changes coming for the Model 3 and Y. Before I begin, please take a moment and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. With that being said, let's get right into it. Tesla's ultimate goal has always been to accelerate the transition to sustainable energies, which is done by releasing more affordable vehicles over time. Tesla recently lowered the price for the Model 3 in China from $45,800 to $41,300. This was done not only to receive China's government incentives, but also because the economies of scale allowed the company to do such a move. A recent report by Reuters stated that Tesla's new battery packs would both last 1 million miles and cost $80 per kilowatt hour. The reason why that $80 per kilowatt hour number is so revolutionary is because at $100 per kilowatt hour, auto industry executives estimate that electric vehicles are on par with internal combustion engines. By bringing that number below $100, this implies that Tesla's vehicles are cheaper to produce than internal combustion engine vehicles. According to Forbes, Tesla's current battery packs cost $127 per kilowatt hour. The cheapest Model 3 has a range of 250 miles with a 50 kilowatt hour battery pack. By multiplying the $127 per kilowatt hour number with 50 kilowatt hours, we obtain a total of $6,350 to produce a 50 kilowatt hour battery pack. At the $80 per kilowatt hour level, this would equate to $4,000 per 50 kilowatt hour battery pack, $2,350 less than the current price. Along with cheaper battery manufacturing, the economies of scale has led Tesla's vehicles in the US to have a lot higher profit margin than before. This was evident when we saw how Tesla's GAAP margin, excluding credits, has continued to increase over the past few quarters. The last piece of evidence pointing towards a price decrease is the evolution of Tesla's vehicles with no change in price. By 2021, the Tesla Model Y will soon retail for $40,000 with the release of the cheaper version. On the other hand, the Tesla Model 3 currently goes for $40,000 when ordering online. From a business perspective, this makes no sense. The Model Y is clearly the more advanced vehicle out of the two, yet it will cost the same price. Sandy Munro's analysis of the Tesla Model Y has revealed how much better of a build the vehicle is compared to the Model 3. The fact that the Model Y will go for the same price when ordering online would totally obliterate the sales of the Model 3. The $40,000 Model Y currently isn't available, and once it is released, it only makes sense to decrease the price of the Model 3. The year after the $40,000 Model Y is released, the $40,000 Tesla Cybertruck will be available. Again, since the Cybertruck is technologically a more advanced vehicle, it would only make sense to lower the price of the Model Y. However, since the $40,000 Cybertruck won't be released for a while, we can put that aside for now and focus on Tesla's upcoming price change for the Model 3. Now, with cheaper manufacturing, Tesla can take two routes: lower the price of Tesla's current vehicles or take extra profits. Tesla currently has about $8 billion in cash. From the perspective of Musk, it wouldn't be a smart decision to take profits when that money could be used to fuel more demand for the Model 3 in the US. Tesla's current goal is to take as much market share as they can from traditional car manufacturers, and by lowering the price for the Model 3, this would allow Tesla to compete with the cheaper electric vehicles legacy automakers are releasing. To top it off, it's not a special occasion for Tesla to update their current vehicle specs and price. In March of 2019, Tesla dropped the price of both the Model S and X by $12,000 to $18,000. By fixing up the wiring with the style Tesla had in the Model Y and changing the battery system, Tesla will be able to lower the price while offering a better vehicle. This has happened in the past with the Model S and X, and it should be able to fuel up some more demand for the Model 3. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.